Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these steel-toed anti-slip resistant or slip-resistant like construction type shoes for like tennis shoes. They're supposed to have like a steel toe in them right there and just slip on. Looks like they have some rubber eyelets there. All right, maintenance. So these look pretty cool. I like the kind of the see-through honeycomb design there, and this does have a steel toe right there, as well as a slip-on feature. Has a nice little strap back here you can grab onto, and a little toe outlet. So let's try these on. These are supposed to be or slip-resistant tread here, so we're going to try that, or these soles. So let's try this out. Pretty cool looking shoes though, and just look like a nice like a casual running shoe, but upgrade there, obviously with the steel toe. That's really important. And these are supposed to be puncture resistant tread as well, so, or soles on there. So let's go ahead and try these on and test them out a little bit, shall we? Okay friends, well, we're going to do the little nail test here. So I have this nail sticking through the board right there, and basically just put your foot on here. So it seems to go through this rubber part pretty good, but then this shoe has like this, it has this like, I don't know, pretty tough material right here. So we'll just show you that. See, it like bent the nail there before it went in my foot, but this has like, you can pound the nail through it. It's just really resistant to it. So okay, so all that to pound it through there. This material is really tight. So let's see if I can demonstrate this. So you can see it goes through there, and it's pushing up right there on there. Try to get it close up for you guys. So it's pushing up right here, but I can't. Man, I can't push that through. So this is poking through there, but this tight, whatever this is, it's a really tough material is protecting it. So if you were to just step on one like perfectly, I think this would protect your feet decently. So I couldn't do it by standing on it. It distributes the weight of that, so that one seems to be pretty good. Let's test out the steel toe now. And just look at this. This is a nice, comfortable. Look at the amount of foam in here on this padding. These are actually really comfortable. I wore these yesterday, and pretty happy with the results. Actually, these are easy to slip on and off. Make sure I get this on there nice. And they're really comfortable actually. So to put these on, it's not difficult. Oh, basically you just slide your foot in there. Just put it there and get your finger in there and just slide them in. So they're a comfortable shoe. They actually look pretty cool. Actually, I think I like the lightweight and stuff. They look pretty neat. I like that the black ones go with pretty much everything. I'm pretty confident that in the construction site, anything you're going to step on, even if it's just a single nail, this seems like it'll protect you pretty good. I couldn't push it through just by standing on it, and the nail actually just bent over. So now we're going to test out the steel toe here. I'm not going to run it over with a truck, but I will hit it with a hammer a few times. So there's my foot in there. I didn't want to damage that, but yeah, my foot's there. The protection seems to go all the way to here. So there's definitely a steel toe right here. I mean, you did that with a regular toe, it's not going to feel very good. But this feels, yeah, I'm fairly confident that anything dropping on my foot there, it's not going to like crush my toes or anything. So that's pretty cool. And it doesn't look like like really a steel toe shoe. It doesn't look like, you know, this is gonna add offer any protection. It just looks like a casual, like even like running type shoe really. So let's test the slip resistance. All right, so I have some tiles here, and there's not much slippier than tiles with water on it. So take some water here, pour it on there, and let's test it out here. Wow, that's good. It's not really that slippery. I mean, let's see if I can run on it. A little bit of slide, but then it like kind of grabs on and holds. So slip resistance, puncture proof, and steel toe, all check, check, check. And then comfort, these are actually really comfortable as far as shoes go. I think they actually look kind of cool as well. They're easy to put on and off, just slip them on and off. It does have this like kind of elastic here in the bottom, this little part you can hold on to. And it's got nice comfort all the way around here. Super happy with these actually, my friends. These are actually really nice shoes. Like I said, lightweight, doesn't feel like they're making my feet hot. I'm just really impressed with these. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.